Yes, ready. This is a dictation at the rate of 80 words per minute. This is a passage of 800 words. So you can prepare for your SSC examination as well. Yes, get ready. Start. Sir, honorable members have also dwelt on the need to modernize the sugar industry and also step up sugar cane development activities. About 200 sugar factories out of a total of 400 installed factories are more than 25 years old, and of these 75 sugar factories have capacities below 1200 tons. These factories are required to be modernized and expanded to viable capacity, keeping in view the availability of sugarcane. The union government have requested the state governments to undertake pilot studies in respect of 2 or 3 such units in their states and prepare detailed time-bound proposals for restructuring and improving the productivity of these units. The units can obtain assistance from soft loan schemes operated by the IFCI for modernization and rehabilitation. To facilitate and speed up this process, the government is also advancing loans on soft terms from the Sugar Development Fund, and so far 7 units have received rupees 6 crores as loan assistance. Honorable members have also referred to the need for ensuring that the amounts are properly spent, and I wish to make it clear that the projects assisted by the Department of Food will be physically inspected and verified to check the proper utilization of the loans. I am also happy to inform the House that loans on soft term from the Sugar Development Fund have been given to 39 units during the financial year, totaling rupees 20 crores. The current year's budget allotment is about rupees 50 crores in respect of assistance for sugarcane development, and all eligible applications will be considered on merits and according to priority. Sir, the aim of the government should be to ensure through its policies the efficient running of the sugar industry, and the various steps which I have already outlined earlier would go to show how the government has been sparing no efforts in improving the performance of the industry. With regard to problems arising out of gross mismanagement of the industrial units in the private sector, adequate powers are available to the state governments and the central government for the temporary takeover of the management of such units under the provisions of the IDR Act. Instances of gross misuse of office can also be dealt with under the provision of the company law. I am sure the honorable members would bring to the notice of the Company Law Affairs Department such instances of abuse of office para whenever the occasion demands. The state governments have been resorting to nationalization. In view of this, there appears to be no special reason why Government of India should also step in. This year, the sugarcane production is comparatively higher in UP and the crushers have resorted to paying lower prices to the farmers. It is only because of this that the government has time and again insisted on the proper demarcation of cane areas as between sugar factories as well as power crusher operated areas. If the state governments ensure adequate availability of the raw material to one and all by properly delimiting the zones, the problem of the type referred to would normally not arise. It was also suggested that the daily sugar production should be mortgaged to the banks and the mill owners should inform the cooperative societies and the district magistrate about the money received so that there is no malpractice in the cane price payment. Para generally, for your information, the sugar factories pledge the sugar stocks with the commercial banks who provide them with credit facility against the value of such stocks. But where the financial health of the mill is weak, the banks do not provide the entire credit required by the sugar mill. Therefore, at times there has been a gap in the credit availability which leads to delayed payment to the growers. The credit policy is decided by the Reserve Bank of India and the problems of the type are on unit to unit basis. In this regard, the Prime Minister has reiterated our stand in a letter addressed to the Chief Ministers in the beginning of this year. Sir, some honorable members have rightly emphasized the need for sugarcane research and development. Para. We have two central institutions which conduct research on the various aspects of sugarcane production and crop management, including assessment of the irrigation requirements of the crop protection and harvest and post-harvest handling of the crop. Over the years, they have been doing excellent work. It would be incorrect to say that there has been no impact of sugarcane research in the north, as the very transformation of the sugarcane in the Punjab in the last 4 years will contradict such a statement. Sugarcane productivity in Punjab has increased from 30 tons per hectare to 62 tons per hectare, and recovery has likewise increased from 8% to 10%. Stop and over.